we don't have, I think, in our understanding or in our art classes, in our school classes, in our public education, a real way to inform people about their environment and the environments that they live in. It's a little bit risky to say this, but like, are we really knowledgeable about how our built environments are made
Yeah.
and its effect on us? And I think we kind of take it a little bit for granted. I do, for instance, and I think it's really easy to just kind of assume that what we see is what we get. I agree. We're going to do projects. They're going to affect a certain quantity of people, but it's not really solving the overall problem, which is growing things up from the bottom. But I think this idea of education about the built environment and about the values there is really important. How you do that's, it means it's a different question. It's a different problem. I see a real problem, for instance, with the policies about energy efficiency, for instance, that are being pushed down, let's say, on a regulation side. I don't disagree with them. I fully, wholeheartedly agree. But I don't feel that there's a reciprocal building up of understanding and knowledge of how to do these things.